Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to set up and use Coolmuster Data Recovery Professional, including a free 1-year giveaway subscription. If you've accidentally deleted a file or media and want to recover it, you can try this tool to recover your lost files. First, download the tool from the official website. After downloading, run the installer file and install it on your system. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. When you open the app for the first time, you'll see something like this. There are several options to recover your data, as shown on the left side of the application. Click on the key icon in the upper right corner. Here, you need to enter your registered email and the subscription key to unlock the professional version of the app. To claim the free 1-year subscription, visit the official giveaway page. On the giveaway page, enter your name, email, solve the security CAPTCHA, and then click Submit to claim your free 1-year subscription. Once completed, you will see your 1-year giveaway subscription on the screen, and the code will also be sent to your inbox. Now, use your registered email and the subscription key to activate the 1-year free subscription for Coolmuster Data Recovery Professional. As you can see, the giveaway subscription is working perfectly. So, that's all for today's video. Like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or face any issues, please leave a comment in the section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.